system administrator position in Colorado Springs, Colorado. That's what we're talking about. And oh wait, I forgot to record this. Hold up. We're gonna start in 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, there we go. Okay, now it's recording on my phone, so you can see it right there. Alright, so it says, I hope you're having a great day. I found your resume online and I think that you would be a great fit for a system administrator position, and I am currently hiring. This recruiting opportunities in Colorado Springs area and looking for candidates to interview as soon as tomorrow or next week. Oh man, it's probably gonna be gone by the time you guys see this. But it's good to know. I'm gonna put the contact information below. Before we go any further, you guys should know that I have a separate website. If you want to go any deeper with this, if you want to know more information, if you're obsessed with this, you're trying to go into this career field, you might want to check out this link right here, where I talk further about this much deeper, on a much deeper level, like how to get into this, how do I get these opportunities. Okay, let's keep going. You must have this position requires US citizenship and a DoD Secret Clearance. 4 years of experience directly with Linux system administration in a sustained environment, strong background in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 and 6. They will also want you to have VMware Horizon, VApps, VMware Sphere clusters, vCenter services, and then they want you to have a basic networking administrator knowledge and utilizing CISCO. Understanding of storage area network concept, network storage area concept, and knowledge of patching management for Red Hat, which is YUM and RPM. Red Hat Satellite, I guess that's how they push out those packages whenever Red Hat needs to have a package update, patch update. Alright, experience with COTS, GOTS, and FOSS. What's FOSS? I don't know. What's FOSS? You guys know what FOSS is? COTS is commercial over the shelf, and then GOTS is government over the shelf. But FOSS, I don't know what that is. Background in STIG settings to each product underlying. STIGs are, you know what? I would like to show you what STIGs are. I'll show you STIGs in this one. Pluses, like additional things. If you have these things, this is really good. They want you to have PowerShell, PowerCLI, Bash, Ruby, Python, and then some automation tools such as Chef, Puppet, SaltStack. Knowledge of storage such as EMC and EMC, VNX, and knowledge of directory, Active Directory services, and LDAP. The day-to-day of this position will be troubleshooting, maintaining, and implementing solutions, optimizing the infrastructure, and the candidate is responsible for design, implementation, codes, testing, documentation, and maintaining the system. And this is a very technical job right here. They're flat out saying how technical this job is. But I want to show you something that they mentioned here that I might cover in a separate video, like go in depth in this. They said something I know quite a bit about, STIGs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up, I'm going to go to the site. This is what they mean by STIG. Security Technical Implementation Guide is what they're talking about. Things like this. This is basically these guides that are on a government site. It's on iase.disa.mil, and it breaks down like all the things you need to do for every single major, all the major components and software that the government uses. It tells you here's how you secure these things, and it breaks it all down. Has downloadable tools that allow you to scan your system and things like that. But that's what they want you to have. So that's it, guys. For this one, we can keep it short and sweet. Again, if you're interested in knowing how I get these opportunities all the time, every week, just go to this link right here. I've got some stuff that you can check out if you're interested. But until then, see you guys later.